Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two popular air fryer baskets, the Gotham Steel 2-piece crisper tray and basket, and the Nuwave Brio air fryer. We have split the screen into two halves so you can easily see the products side by side. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, comment down below which air fryer you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Alright, let's dive in. Let's talk about the pricing of these air fryer baskets. The Gotham Steel 2-piece crisper tray and basket is priced at $59, while the Nuwave Brio air fryer comes in at $99. It's important to note that both products offer great value for their price, but if budget is a concern for you, the Gotham Steel option might be more suitable. However, keep in mind that the Nuwave Brio air fryer offers additional features and functionalities that may justify the higher price tag. Now let's discuss the features of these air fryer baskets. The Gotham Steel crisper tray and basket boasts an ultimate ceramic non-stick surface, free of PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. It is also oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and offers even heat distribution. On the other hand, the Nuwave Brio air fryer has a cool white display with intuitive digital controls, 100 pre-programmed menu presets, and linear thermal technology for precise temperature settings. It also comes with a premium stainless steel reversible rack. Depending on your needs and preferences, you can choose the air fryer basket with the features that best suit you. When it comes to cooking performance, both the Gotham Steel crisper tray and basket and the Nuwave Brio air fryer excel in delivering crispy and delicious fried foods without the guilt. They both use superheated air and efficient airflow designs to achieve these results. However, the Nuwave Brio offers additional benefits like multi-layer cooking with its reversible rack and 50 memory slots to save and recall your favorite recipes. Ultimately, it's a personal preference based on your cooking needs and how advanced you want your air fryer basket to be. And that wraps up our comparison between the Gotham Steel 2-piece crisper tray and basket and the Nuwave Brio air fryer. Both products have their own unique features and benefits, so it ultimately comes down to what you prioritize in an air fryer basket. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment letting us know which air fryer you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.